You caught me on 0 carb day, so I'm take 2 sheets of nori. 1, 2. They're practically 0 net carbs. Alright, now I need some more ingredients. This one is Persian or English cucumber. One of those two. I don't know which one exactly. But they're sweet. Not that sugary, just low carb. Alright. This is salt cured fresh salmon. I cured it with, sprinkled with salt 2 days ago. Now it perfectly, so you could say cooked through. It goes into my nori roll. Okay. All right. All right. Now cream cheese. I just want to add some volume. More. Oops, slide back. Great. Falling apart. Sometimes they make them creamier, sometimes they make them harder. Who knows? What's the deal? Inconsistent quality. Alright. Avocado. This is how you cut your avocado. If you take long avocado, it has small pit. Round avocado has big pit. So if you can find long avocados, choose those. See? 0 effort. Alright. Let's roll. Okay. Cream cheese. Okay. Cucumber. Avocado. And now I can make a roll. I hate cauliflower rice. Never tried it. I just think I hate it, so I better fill it up with whatever I can tolerate emotionally. Alright. I know it's gonna be a little kind of empty in the spots, but doesn't matter. I can probably make some seal it up. I don't have any water here handy, doesn't matter. All right. Okay, I loaded it with all this good stuff. All right. Let's try to roll it. This one will be very fatty, fat looking. Okay, let's cut it. This one have to go whole. Cut the next one. Why I choose this thing? Because this Sous Vide paper, Nori, is a good supplement of iodine, which I am concerned about. I think for weight loss it's essential to have iodine in your diet. Alright, let's decorate them a little bit. This is wasabi. Ziploc bag. They used to make better Ziploc bags than now. Okay, I'm gonna eat it with soy sauce and they're sprinkled with wasabi powder.